We're three brothers. I was 16 years old, and my brothers was going to college. I was still in high school. Father had an old handset sawmill. We decided to get a couple orders up in town here for cutting rough lumber, and that's what we did. We started a sawmill in the evenings, and when we weren't busy in school, we worked the weekends and just gradually kept going through it. And then the sister come in as a secretary for us. And there's lots of lean times when you're starting out like that. We just wanted to stay alive in the sawmill business. You had to be a lot of jacks of all trades. You had to be a truck driver, you had to be a mechanic, you had to be a tree cutter. And as time went on, we wholesaled a lot. And we had wholesalers that we'd send lumber into the mills, and we had picked up customers of our own, obviously. We would cut into grade lumber, and then we'd package it, and we'd sell it to furniture manufacturers down south in North Carolina. And our blocking went into this area, and then we got into the pallet business. We built pallets, and as time went on, you needed an employee. You just went out and hired one. You needed two, then you hired two. And you have to have quality people. You have to have good people, because you're only going to be as strong as those people are around you. And it just day by day, month by month, and like anything else, you grew into what we are today. And there's still a demand out there that people demand a quality product, along with our service, and that's what we pride ourselves on.